Let's double check again the Bitcoin Cash. This is also Dina token. Like we can see now, the old tokens start perform. Of course, the Bitcoin Cash is not in the privacy sector, right? But maybe the Bitcoin Cash will follow the Dash, for example, the Zcash, the Horizon, and maybe after that, even the IOTA will pump, who knows? And this FEEP still in place, still relevant. And so I have to say, the Bitcoin Cash not dumped that hard like many other tokens. You remember this FEEP, it's from the top of May 21, correction, support, accumulation in 27 block. Just for comparison, with the same model, a lot of tokens now around here. I don't know why, but Bitcoin Cash hold the line, pretty good one. I would like to double check on the Binance on that squeeze, how low we dropped. So take a look, 387. It's interesting. Did we test that level or not? 387. So on the Binance, it was 440. No, we didn't test that level. So it's kind of interesting why the Bitcoin Cash not dump it that hard like many other tokens. Kind of strange, right? Not a new all-time high. New high, it's 2,418. It's the most craziest scenario what we can expect for Bitcoin Cash. And from that, last time I analyzed this token in August 2025, it's 380%. From now, it can be like 381%, and from the low it could be like 2,300%. So it's not like 50x or so. Conservative one targets, of course, guys, it's this level. It's 1K 373, 1K 466. Maybe, of course, we're gonna see something like this one in the bear market. Also possible. That's why, guys, I recommend you this cycle, fix the profit during the ride. Accumulation zone, guys, absolutely still the same. So it's $48 and 161. So this is it. Many tokens now, I repeat again, consolidate still around here. So on Bitcoin Cash, we got a like impulse sideways and should be another impulse up. So the support lines now is 387, 181. If we double check the monthly time frame, it looks like we hold the line, the trend line. I'm not a fan of the trend lines, because it just work in theory. So we can drop, I don't know here. I don't think so. We're going to drop to October 26 to the trend line. So if we're going to drop now, so maybe we're going to test it. But I repeat again, it just work in theory. Right, so this no makes sense to even draw that trend lines, because totally different time frames will show you a total different support line or resistance line. And people after the fact only determine the levels. That's why I work with the FEEP and my custom indicator set. So we rejected 23 level FEEP till penny on the monthly time frame in March 2024. Dump it. Around here, trade long-term period, not come back inside a accumulation zone, and hold the line and test in June 2025 the zero level. Bounce it, basically sweep the liquidity of this high December 2024. And I have to say, I don't know why, but Bitcoin Cash hold the line pretty good one. A lot of alts from December 2024 dump it to new historical low. A lot of them. I don't know why, but Bitcoin Cash just not lose the momentum. It's kind of a good one. So we dump like 62%, but recover back again, sweep liquidity. And now, if only if the BTC dominance will go down or BTC goes up and alts will follow, we can recover more from even now. But my take is we can come back and test 387. So this is it. By gaps, there is no gaps under. Here is no gaps, only here. Only this one is still relevant, tiny gap, full fill around 125. Should we drop to 125? I don't know. Imagine the smell of the market if the Bitcoin Cash dumped to 125. What will be with other tokens? That's why, honestly, I don't think so. We will drop now to this zone again. So just in case. That's why accumulate now or not, it's up to you. Sometimes, guys, it's not a mistake just to skip the token. If you accumulated here, It's not a mistake to fix the profit now. It's more than okay, guys. So up to you where to fix the profit. Zone of accumulation, relevant. And if you miss some token, just skip and find another one. It's more than okay. By the way, I highly recommend you use my indicator set, because yesterday I add the brand new one, dashboard. So now with a simple dashboard, you can track all data. You know, you can go in settings, you can adjust it, some timeframes for each indicator and track in one. So let's double check ADZ direction. ADZ, I just would like to show you on the Binance because there is no data on that charts. So here, this is just neutral. Neutral on the monthly, no time to sell yet on direction indicator. Weekly time frame, here was accumulation, main accumulation, it was in June 22. Now it's just neutral, so not bullish, not bearish, you know. So it was so obvious to sell in August, some fixation and profit. Now no signal to sell in on the weekly time frame on direction. Accumulation was here. This is where the whales accumulate aggressively. After that, fix some profit, fun, but exactly at the top in April 24, and dump. Now just consolidation without any accumulation. Let's go back to the main chart, global one, crypto. Here's the same story. Now nothing, no accumulation, no distribution. That's why, guys, I honestly, if I could choose Bitcoin Cash or some other tokens, I could choose some other token, definitely. Because many tokens looks more interesting than this one, based on the risk reward. Market mood, this is just like trail, some hopium zone. This was a capitulation. So, by the way, highly recommend you go and check the main bull run plan video for Bitcoin Cash, because I don't know, I guess I posted some 23, so all targets still in play, absolutely all levels absolutely relevant and will be relevant with the zone of interest, with the zone of distribution. Based on a monthly time frame, guys, here, this was capitulation, now it's something like a trill zone. So soon we will see the area. It can be around 1K, or over 1K. Everybody starts going, we're going to the 5K to 10K. Like now, the Arthur Hayes shield the Zcash, so Zcash will pump to 10K. It's absolutely no make sense to even listen to this type of guys. So based on the monthly time frame money power indicator, here was a money inflow, here money in, June 22. Now nothing. So we at the top, but soon we will see the money outflow. So be careful. Be careful. Weekly time frame here on that dump, February 75, money in, March 75, money in. Pump, no money outflow, nobody fixed the profit. That's why we not dump that hard. Now we try hold the line around middle line. So once again, correction 387, 161. Two levels, two zone of interest. Everything what is between, it's up to you, because it's unlogical entries. The last two indicators straight on, guys. Buy was here, June 22, take profits, sell, distributions. So I have nothing to add, you know. Now no signal to buy. A monthly, it was so obvious to sell, no buyback signal. Daily, also no signals to buy. The last one was sell here in June. We sweep the liquidity going down. But I repeat again, the Bitcoin Cash hold the line, pretty good one. If we use another FIB, you know, just a local one for this move. So this is an uptrend move, right? So here we tested 0.5. So basically this FIB is done. So the next level is 402 and 335. 387. So around here we can stop if we dump lower. Take a look how accurate the Bitcoin Cash move. Kinda interesting. All right, the last indicator, guys, it's take profit. Buy line on the daily time frame now is 376. Now we just in the middle. Take profits is 747. Exit line 440. 840. Nice one. Weekly time frame, the buy line is 296. I don't think so we're going to drop that low, but it's possible. It's possible, just in case. And it's around here. From the map value, it's 219. So just to be honest, I don't think so. We're going to drop to the buy line, but everything's possible, guys. Oh, here's a problem. We trade around over the exit line. Here was a test of the buy line, bounce. Now we try hold the line on the monthly time frame above the exit line. Buy line on the monthly for Bitcoin Cash is 230. Fundamental value is 172. Kind of scary. 12-hour time frame, the buy line 363. Take profits 720. So just in case, guys, if you want to buy now, I can't recommend you to buy the Bitcoin Cash now. Of course, it's up to you. I need more reasons, to see the token in zone of interest with some bullish data of my indicators. Now I don't see a lot of bullish data because we're just in the middle, so it's kind of risky. So if we could trade around here, it could be the more logical entry. Now we're just in the air between the lines without any logical reasons to buy. But of course, like any speculation token, we can move a reversal to the main targets. Main targets, guys, absolutely relevant. Wrap list and comment what you think about a Bitcoin Cash. If you'd like to trade with my customer, Chris, I will show on this video. Just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.